Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 9.1, question number 1. In a mathematics test, the following marks were obtained by 40 students. Arrange these marks in a table using tally marks. Find how many students obtained marks equal to or more than 7. How many students obtained marks below 4. Let us take this as number of marks obtained by students. Let us take marks obtained by students. Marks obtained. This is marks obtained by student, and this is number of students. Number of students, and this is tally marks. Tally marks. This is tally marks, right? Now let us take marks obtained 1. How many students got 1? You see, this is 1. This is 1. Any other? No. That means number of students is 2. And tally marks 1, 2, right? Now 2. Marks obtained, that is 2 is now marks obtained is 2. 2. How many students are there? We find in first line this is 2, 1, 1, and second line it is 2, and third line it is 2, and there is no number in 2 and 4 line, the 1, 2, 3. Therefore, number of students is 3. Therefore, tally marks is 1, 2, 3, right? Now, question number 3. Number 3, we are taking it as number 3. Now, number 3, we are taking number 3. Number 3. How many students? We count, this is 1, 1 in row 2, this is 3, this is 3, right? And in row third, this is 3, 1, 2, 3, and in row 4 there is no 3. 3. That is number of students is 3. Therefore, we write here as we rub this one. Let us rub this one. Now, this is 3. This is 3. And tally marks is also 3. 3, 1, 2, 3. Right? Now 4. Now 4. Marks obtained 4. How many students you see? That is 1, 2, 3. In this line it is 4. In this line 5, 6, 7. Right? It is 7 students are there. 7 students. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the tally marks. Now 5. 5. 5 is how many? You see this one from 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6. That means tally mark is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 6. Now 6. 6 you count. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number is 27. Number is 27. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Now, number is 7. How many students are there? In row 1, 1, 1. In row 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Now student is 5. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5, right? Now 8. 8. How many students? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 students. 8, 4 students. 1, 2, 3, 4. And also 9 also. Next one is 9. How many students you see? 9 is first row, second row 9. 1, 1, 2 and 3. Right? That is 3. That is 1, 2, 3. Right? Now again we count number 1 marks obtained. That is this is 1 and this is 1. That is 2. It is right. And number 2. Number 2 is this one 2, 2. This one 2, 1, 2 and 3. Right? Now we have counted all the numbers. Now you have to add all the number of students. What is the total number of students you count here? Right? That is 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 6 21, 21 plus 7 28, 28 plus 5 33, 4 37, 37 3 40. It's okay. All the number of students is 40. Now we'll deal with the questions. Find how many students obtained marks equal to or more than 7. How many students obtained marks equal to or more than 7? Equal to or more than 7. That is 7, 8 and 9 marks. That is 5 plus 4 plus 3. 9, 10, 11, 12. Right. How many students obtained marks equal to or more than 7? In 7 got 5 students, 8 got 4 students, and 9 got 3 students. Therefore, the answer of A is 5 plus 4 plus 3. 5 plus 4 9 plus 3 12 students. 12 students. Right? 12 students obtained. 12 students. This is 5. 12 students obtained marks equal to or more than 7. More than 7. Question number B is, how many students obtained marks below 4? Below 4 means this one, 3, 2, and 1. That is 2 plus 3 plus 3. That is 2 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 2 is 8. That is equal to 8 students. 8 students. 8 students. How many students obtained marks below 4? Therefore, 8 students obtained marks below 4. Obtained marks below 4. Right? This is the solution of question number 1, exercise 9.1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.